Just take it easy. You have sufficient tissue?
I have tissue.
But they say like ugly because the crater itself.
That's it.
So we're gonna see more even more, but we have a lot of them. So
Those are for the restaurant whole fish thing. These are for
the trash is for people like using to the marabou, but the bones they can using to make a soup.
And what's in the bag?
Yes.
Chili sauce?
This is sauce, spicy.
Spicy sauce.
We're gonna see later, okay? The spicy. You have done photo or you're waiting to do photo?
You have to, but it needs to be like placed on in a pot or something, you know, with oil in it. So you have to stir it for, you know, a few minutes. Then it can be stored for a long time.
Oh, I see.
So you can take this home to your wife and you don't have to put it on ice or anything?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. ትንሽ ነው ሞቅ የሚደረገው አይደል?
Are you getting that big container?
That can last for months. This is very spicy. Yeah.